All right, so you actually have all the wisdom in your cells, and everything just needs to ignite. Everything, literally everything is encoded in your DNA, and you just forgot. And so the soul's growth and the soul's evolution will take you on a different track each time. Each and every person will be different. Each and every DNA strand to come up to speed is going to go through its own series of events. And as you get ignited by different sounds or harmonics, such as primordial sound, which I speak, which is a form of light language, Gunayana Sutaya, you start to get a little resonance. There could be a little buzz. And then when you activate, you're going to do so in your own soul's timing. All conditions will be perfect. You will be perfectly placed. You will remember you are the one, you are the source, you are the eternal essence of grace. And when you do that, you ignite. You become an unstoppable force of creative reality. You can harmonize weather patterns, you can move density, you can clear the field. You become one with God, because God is not outside. God is within. Sumayana Syatayana Kunayana Syataya. And when you become one in this field, you create a different reality. And that's what this book is all about. We've got to change gears now. We've got to shift lanes. Destruction has taken its toll. And it's time to bring us back up to speed. And this book is all about bringing us up to speed. The codes of creation are inbuilt. Each and every word is very purposefully placed to remind you of who you are, to let go of the density, to transform the blackness into light, and the lightness into gray. Because all one way is not it either. We've got to get back to the shady areas and look deeply into the self. Then you'll know the way home. Sumayana Syatayana Kunayana Sya.